Hallo liebe Leute, let's take a look at your exercise auf dem Hamburger Fischmarkt. So, we are at the Hamburger Fischmarkt here in this dialogue, yeah? One of the most popular fish markets around, definitely I'd say the most popular one in Germany, maybe in Europe. Yeah, but it's on the coast, it's on the North Sea, also down in the harbor at Hamburg, and the fish comes in straight off of the sea, yeah, and you can buy it right there, and it's super fresh fish. So anyway, our family, Familie Schroeder, is at the fish market, yeah, and you have a conversation where they're ordering from a little stand. Yeah, so first of all, let's look at some of the foods mentioned here. So, eine Portion Pommes, yeah, a serving of fries, Pommes. Ein Käsebrötchen, yeah, Käsebrötchen, an open-faced cheese sandwich, yeah, it's a Brötchen with cheese on it, yeah. Ein Hamburger, you know what those are. Ein Stück Pizza, we're good with that. Ein Eis, yeah. Eine Cola, yeah. Cola in general is what you will call any kind of Coke type soft drink. Yeah, eine Cola. There's no Pepsi. I've never seen Pepsi, at least in Germany, but there are a couple of other brands of Coca-Cola type things, colas. But in general, you just say eine Cola. Yeah, not a Coke, eine Cola. Also, whoops, scroll down just a little bit here. Ein Stück Kuchen, a piece of cake. Ein Salat, salad, yeah. Und eine Currywurst. Yeah, a currywurst. Currywurst is very popular in Berlin and Hamburg and all over Germany these days. It's a grilled sausage covered with ketchup that's curry flavored. Usually some curry flavored ketchup and a little bit of curry powder. Quite tasty. Very popular street food, very inexpensive. All right, so let's look at what we did in our actual language exercise here. You were supposed to give me the phrases that mean these things. So first of all, what would you like? Also, let's look up here. Was möchten Sie? That's what the person at the stand says. Was möchten Sie? What would you like? Notice that it's the Sie form because the person at the stand doesn't know us. So they're going to refer to us formally. Was möchten Sie? Yeah. What would you, formal person that I don't know, like? Also, next phrase, I'll take a dish of fish soup. Also, when you read on down through here and you came to, ich nehme einen Teller Fischsuppe. Ja, ich nehme, I'll take einen Teller Fischsuppe, a dish of fish soup, okay? Ich nehme, I'll take. You also had up here the verb möchten. So you could say ich möchte. Like right here, ich möchte nichts essen. Yeah, I'll take nothing. I don't want to eat anything. Okay. Next up. Next phrase was, I would like a roll with cheese and a glass of apple juice. Also, ich möchte ein Brötchen mit Käse und ein Glas Apfelsaft. Yeah. Ich nehme, I'll take. Ich möchte, I would like. Either one gets the job done here. You don't want to say ich will, I want, because it sounds very demanding and 2-year-oldish. Yeah. So we have learned before ich will, I want. But in this particular context, you need something more polite. So ich nehme, I'll take, or ich möchte, I would like. And then, of course, your last one here, what does it cost? Also, alles zusammen 23 Euro. Also, oh, but the question, what does it cost? Was kostet das? Was kostet das? What does it cost? 23 Euro. Okay, and this is our first experience with ordering things. We don't have a menu to look at, yeah. But one little thing you might want to know, tax is always included. So if the thing that you're buying is 5 Euro, then you're going to pay 5 Euro. It's not 5 Euro plus tax. The tax is always included on the price tags, both at restaurants and in stores, like any store you're in. Whatever the price on the tag says, that's what you need to pay. Yeah, tax is already included. Just kind of an interesting thing to know. All right, guys, that's it. Juicy.